We're out here in beautiful Phoenix, Arizona. This amazing home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, completely remodeled. Bada bing, bada boom. Look at these floors, they are amazing. So that is what we call a luxury vinyl. Oh geez, a little squeaking, need a little bit of oil there, but that's okay. Kitchen has quartz countertops. So, I mean, you got quartz and granite are pretty popular out here in Arizona. Depending on the style you're going with, quartz seems to be a little less busy, I guess you would say. And who doesn't love a super large island? There are many of you out there that like to cook and bake, so countertop space is definitely pretty important. Homeowners on this one use some really cool details. They put some of that gold, that's flashy gold, different type of faucets in, and some brand new stainless steel appliances. Backsplash is really nice and neutral. I think these are all slow closing too, if memory serves me right. Oh yeah. A little bit of fun stuff in those drawers too. So yeah, it's an open floor plan. Everything's pretty much here. You got some great family living. And laundry room. We have a laundry room right here off the kitchen. It's pretty spacious. Looks like you get an electric dryer in here. Pretty nice. Walk through this way and you have your family room set up. So the furniture is pretty big in here. So you've got a lot of living space, which is nice. I'm gonna back up so you can kind of see. You could definitely fit a sectional in here if needed. Lots of great lighting. All new ceiling fans. Again, the homeowners on this property didn't waste any time or money. They came in and remodeled everything. All right. Just gonna walk on this way. We are in the 85032 zip code. It's a pretty popular one out here. So this home does boast location. It's a hot one out here today, so air conditioner is pumping. Good to know that that works. Oh, check out this bathroom. Super pretty. You got that nice tile over here. It's like a glass tile, which is really nice. Again, they followed through with the gold accents. It's pretty intriguing how styles come back. I mean, I'm not old enough to remember some of that gold. I was a little girl when it was in style back in the day in the 80s. But it looks pretty great now. I'm gonna head over here to one of the extra guest bedrooms. So again, great lighting. It's a good size room. It looks like there's a full-size bed here, possibly a queen actually. All the windows have been replaced, which is super nice. Don't hear any street noise in here. Very nice right here. We got new doors. So yeah, this is a little older home, but again, homeowners didn't waste any money. They came in and redid everything. So just a regular closet. Spacious enough, you know, unless you're like me and you have too many shoes. And that wouldn't work, but there is room for some shelving. Just gonna walk on this way. Check out these floors again. The flooring is throughout the home. It looks really pretty. The luxury vinyl is super nice. Out in Arizona, you do see a lot of tile flooring, so the luxury vinyl is a little softer on your feet, which I like a little better. And this right here is the master bedroom. It's a pretty good size room, and you do have access outside. I can envision a hot tub right there. And I just love those palm trees. I'm gonna zoom in. Oh yeah, baby. Arizona palm trees. So again, it's a pretty good size room. New ceiling fans. The bedrooms do have a nice carpet, super plushy. This closet's pretty good. It's pretty good size. So right here, I'd probably add some shelving and some more rods and racks in here. But yeah, plenty of room for your stuff. Gonna head back in here. This bathroom is beautiful. I love when they do the tile from floor to ceiling. It's such a finishing touch. And what I like about what they did with this home is everything kind of blends together, makes sense. The colors, all the different accents, everything matches. There's nothing just thrown in for any reason. So again, beautiful new sink. Oh, that light is super pretty. Only thing I could say that might be a battle is that sink in the morning if there's two of you. Depending on your schedule, of course. Myself and my husband, it wouldn't matter. We have totally different schedules. I wake up every day around 4:30 a.m. And he wakes up a little later when he is in town. In this room right here. This room has amazing lighting, super fun. I would be here all the time just because I love windows. I love those trees. So they went ahead and they put recessed lighting throughout the whole property, which is pretty nice. All right, and then we have another bedroom on this side of the home. So it is a split floor plan. So you get a lot of privacy when you have that master bedroom. This room's a really good size. I probably would go in and get some pine wood of some sort and cover that beam up right there. Give it a little design. Again, this is a pretty good size room. I would say it's as big as the master bedroom. Great bedroom space right here. And this home is pretty move-in ready. Not a lot you're gonna have to do here. A good broom sweep and boom, baby, you can move on in. I'm gonna head back here real quick. Check out that backyard. It's about 110 degrees, I think, today. I think we're getting a little warm too quick out here in AZ, but that's just my opinion. So we are centrally located to almost everything out here. I mean, it's a great location, very desirable area. Great backyard, it's super spacious. We'll go check it out. Right. Oh, you got some mountain views right there. Pretty cool. So we are in Phoenix, Arizona. A little bit of city living out here. You're pretty close to Scottsdale area. So lots of great restaurants and great shopping. Lots of privacy back here in this backyard. You only have one neighbor because it's a corner lot. The fence is super high. So yeah, definitely a lot of privacy. I'm gonna scooch back this way. All right. Gorgeous day out today. I'm originally from the East Coast, so I do enjoy the heat. I do not miss the snow and the rain and the hurricanes. I definitely don't miss the 4 seasons. I like the 1 season of sunshine. Again, this is a great home. It's a great little starter home if you're looking for a property that's super affordable in a great location. This one would be great. Wonderful. If you have any questions on this home, I am the listing agent and can answer pretty much anything. My clients are pretty awesome. All the appliances are new. I'm not sure if I already shared that with you, but yes, brand new stainless steel appliances. So yeah, any questions? Reach on up.